Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Zfont 3 and granting the permissions it requests so the app can access your files. Once done, navigate to the folder containing your TTF or OT file. You must choose the exact file you want to install. Make sure you back up the current system font before proceeding so you can revert if needed. You're beginning real changes now, not just browsing settings, so confirm the font file integrity and proceed to the next step when ready. You now select the font in Zfont 3 and use the preview to check glyphs and spacing. This explains why preview matters before converting. Next, pick the correct font target, system, emoji, or keyboard, and adjust size or weight options as needed because different targets require different wrapping. Then tap Convert or Install. Allow root or ADB permissions when prompted. Once conversion runs, watch the progress messages, and you finish by applying the converted font and rebooting the device so the system fully loads the new resources. After reboot, inspect UI elements and apps to confirm consistent rendering. If something looks off, revert to your backup or reinstall, choosing a different target type because compatibility varies. Make sure to clear font caches or use ADB-based install if Zfont reports permission errors. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep your backup handy to restore system readability quickly if the new font fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.